Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today on this video, we are going to see how can we install the LibreOffice into the Linux system. We know that in the Windows system, the Microsoft Office is available, but in the Linux system, the Microsoft Office is not available. And the best alternative of the Microsoft Office is LibreOffice. Here I will guide you the entire installation process of LibreOffice into the Linux system. Hope you follow the video from beginning to the end. First of all, let me show you that previously I haven't installed the LibreOffice into my system. You can see there that there is no any LibreOffice file. So first of all, open the browser and search for the LibreOffice. Visit the first official link and click on download. Here you see that there is a two version of LibreOffice. I'm going to download the latest version, and in here you can see you can select the operating system. My operating system is Debian based operating system, so I am going to select the Deb and hit the download button. In a short period of time, it is going to start the downloading file. Here you see that the download has been started. Based upon your internet speed, the file will be downloaded. I am not going to download it because I have already downloaded it. So let me close it. After the download completion, open the folder where you have downloaded the file. I have downloaded it into the download section. Here you see that this is the downloaded file. You have to extract this file. For that, click on right and click on extract. After that, open the extracted folder. From here, open the devs folder and open your terminal here. In the terminal, you have to type the command sudo dpkg-i libs3 and hit the enter. It will ask for you the password. Type your password and hit the enter. It will take some time to install your files, so wait it for to complete. Here you see that the file has been installed successfully. Let me close all these files. Let's open the LibreOffice Writer, presentation software and spreadsheet software. Here you see that this is the LibreOffice files that we have installed. This is the Excel and this is the Writer, and I think this is the presentation software. From here you can use this software. Let me close all the things. This is the complete and entire process for installing the LibreOffice into the Linux system. If you got any error during the installation phases, then please mention it into the comment section. We will try to cover your error. Thank you for watching the video.